NFT are non-fungible tokens, a tokenized version of non-fungible assets like artwork, real estate, collectibles. Non-fungible tokens can be used to create verifiable digital scarcity as well as digital ownership. The specialty of non-fungible tokens revolves around three concepts, and that is unique, rare, and indivisible. Now, today I'm gonna introduce all of you guys with an unique and totally different NFT based platform, and that is Volt NFT. Volt NFT is a fast NFT marketplace that allows users to sell and buy collectibles and leverage NFTs on the multi chain support. The platform provides an ecosystem of service through an easy to use interface connecting the community while allowing full transparency of collectibles. Today, many NFT marketplaces are just that a marketplace, simply a platform to transact NFTs on the chain. But however, Volt NFT believes the NFT experience should be so much more than that. And this platform mission is to close to the consumer and provide both creators and the customers with the best experience possible. Now talk about some of their features which makes them apart from other platforms. The first one is multi-chain support. One of the important aim is to go beyond the ETH network and to develop the fast truly native multi-chain NFT platform. So the customer can store and trade their NFTs on multi chains. And initially, the Volt NFT will launch on the ETH network, adding other blockchains as they grow. Their second feature is NFT Launchpad. Volt NFT will provide a way for the Volt NFT community to support and provide a capital for the new upcoming projects or NFT artists. NFT fundraising will be held only in the native token of Volt NFT. And their final feature is decentralized and non-permissible. The Volt NFT framework is designed to optimize the benefit of digital asset ownership and trading. Core technologies depend strictly on the blockchain and automated smart contracts. Now it's time to talk about the token. Volt NFT will use Volti token to reward both creator and traders, fundraising on the platform and governance. The total supply is 20 million Volti and this network based on Ethereum. Here, these tokens have some use cases like governance. Creators, trader, and all other Volti holder will be deciding the future of the project. Payment. The primary exchangeable counter digital currency is Volti for all traders on the marketplace. And rewards distributed and contributed to all users will be dominated in Volti. And next use cases is fees. All fees of the NFT marketplace application, including listing fees, are paid with Volti. And their last use cases is Launchpad. Fundraising on the platform for new creators and projects will take place in Volti tokens only. So don't be late, the opportunity is in front of yourself. Hurry up and take this chance. Thank you.